In this video we are going to see the question on like count the number of vowels in the string. So you all know, I think, what is meant by vowels. Like vowels are like, so these are the vowels in the English language. So we need to count how many vowels are there in the given input. Like for this purpose I have taken a sample input and sample output. You can check out here. The sample input is like discover. In the discover we need to find the number of vowels in this. Like the D is not a vowel, the I is a vowel, so the number of vowels up to DI is 1, the count is 1. Next, the S is not a vowel, C and O is a vowel, so our count is increased to 2. Later V is not a vowel, E is a vowel, so it is 3. So R is not a vowel, so in the string discover the number of vowel count is 3. So for this purpose, so it is a string, so string is a character of variables, so I am assigning the character of array, let it be of size 10. Now in this printf I am advising user like enter the string. The enter string I am going to scan in this the gap space of the A. Like for this purpose let us use the help of the for loop. So to initialize for, I am taking one variable like int I is starting from the index 0 and I less than the size of the string length of A. For this string length we need a header file like as include string.h. This we need to complete the condition of the for loop like I++. In the bracket of this for I am comparing with like the value of the index is matching with this vowels or not. Like for this purpose I am taking the condition, if condition. In this I am checking the A of I is matching with the given one or not, like A. Again this is the not only one, we need to compare to the with E also, with I, O, U also, so with the value U. So this is the process of I am checking. We no need of this extra R also, so I am doing this. So this is how I am checking the vowels in the given string using this if statement. In the brackets of the if suppose if it is of matching with vowel, then I want to increase the count value. To count I am taking one another variable like let it be a count variable only. So here if count, initially I am assigning the value of the count to 0. Suppose if it is matching, then I am going to increment the value of the count by 1 like this. So at last I am going to print the value of the count. Now if I run the program, you can see enter the string, it is asking. I am entering the sample input which is discover. Now if I press enter, you can see the count value is 3. So or you can see let us take one another input also, like I am declaring one character as let it be J. I am assigning the all vowels like A, E, I, O, U. So in the string it is consist of 6 size. Among 6 size it is the vowels count is 5. If I press enter, you can see it is printing 5 or not. So the vowel count in this the input, the sample input, you can see it is a 5. Also there might be a chance of for the giving capital letters. So also we need to write the code for the capital letters, like the user can give any capital letters also, this code is going to work. The previous code is work for only the lowercase letters. So again if I run the program, now I am giving the capital letters like let it be the sample input of discover. Then you can check here in this the uppercase of letters, it is of like the vowels are like 3.